Hello guys, I just wanted to keep y'all informed on what we've been doing here in math here lately this past week and a half. When we came back after we were out a couple of days for the flu strep, we started really getting into algebra, solving expressions, we're going to get into solving equations, but using the order of operations to solve longer problems, bigger problems, and also to solve expressions, which I'm going to show here in just a second. So the order of operations goes like this. It's basically just a guide. It's a set of instructions on how you solve a math problem. What you do first, you do second, do third, you do it in this specific order. That way everybody's working it the same way, everybody's getting the same exact answer. The first thing we do is, if there's parentheses in a problem, we do what is inside the parentheses. Next is our exponents, 4 to the third power. This is multiplying. This is like saying 4 times 4 times 4, okay? And you would work that out and get a number. Multiplying and dividing comes next. Now, you notice I wrote them together. Multiplying does not always happen before dividing. Dividing does not always happen before multiplying. If the problem has both of them in it at the same time, you just work it from left to right. You work it whatever you come to first from left to right. So don't think, oh, I'm always going to multiply before I divide. That's a big misconception. You don't always multiply before you divide. Same thing with adding and subtracting, okay? You're not always going to add before you subtract. If the problem has subtraction and addition in it, you're going to work it from left to right. Look at this problem right here. 10 minus 3 plus 5. I'm going to work this problem from left to right. It has both in there, so if I work it from left to right, the first thing I'm actually going to do is 10 minus 3, and then I'm going to add the 5 to it and get 12. So that would be the proper order in which you work it. So don't think you always have to add before you subtract, that kind of stuff. That is not the case. Now, what exactly is... Go on. Let's just get rid of you. Go on. There we go. What exactly is an expression? Okay. What exactly is an expression? This would be an expression, and this is some things that we have been working on. Okay. N plus 12, and then you got n equals 10. So an expression is, you're using a variable, you're using an operation, and you're just plugging the value in and doing the math, okay? Here in this case, I would plug 10 in there and just do 10 plus 12 gives me 22. Now, this is a pretty easy expression, okay? Some expressions might also look like this. Okay? Might be a lot of different operations. Like, for example, we've got multiplying, we've got adding, we've got subtraction. I'm going to make a video all on expressions again later on and put that out there, but this is some other things that we've been working on is solving expressions, plugging in the value. This is my variable. It does represent a number, okay? And then we would just plug the value in and then use the order of operations to do the math and then get our answer, okay? All right. Molly, you may pause it right there.